Okay, hey y'all, so I'm just kind of getting ready for work. I think I'm low-key about to be late, but I wanted to test and see if my camera would be working right now because it hasn't been lately, so that is why I'm recording. So if this goes live, just know that it'll probably mostly just be me doing my everyday look. I've already got foundation and concealer on though, so you did miss that. What do I have? I used some Fenty around the perimeter to darken it up. Then I used my Marc Jacobs tan something shameless foundation, and then I used Smashbox Studio Fix concealer or whatever it's called for concealer. And I powdered with some Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and now I'm going in with my brows. If you hear like a noise in the background, that is because I'm watching YouTube videos. That's just how I get ready in the morning. I watch YouTube videos and I do my makeup. So this is from Bella Pierre Cosmetics. It's in the color Licorice. I've already combed my brow hairs up, so now I'm just going to fill those in. I'm using this old, I think it's a NYX eyebrow brush. And what I do is I start at the bottom and then just line this. And then line the top as well. And then when I get to the front, I lighten up the pressure. Like I'm not just like doing this and like putting a lot of pressure onto my brows. I'm going just barely grazing and putting that color down. Because if you want your brows to look more natural, you want them to start off light in the front and then go darker as you move outwards. Now, I'm not like every other YouTuber. I don't have 15,000 steps. I don't have 50,000 steps in my brow routine. One, because I really don't have any brows. So that is my brow right there. I'll move on to the next brow. I have a mic now and I cannot use it because I need to find an adapter. So if the quality of this video sucks, my bad. It won't suck in the future when I actually get the adapter. And my background won't have my door to my closet in it. So I'm watching a video by Too Much Mouth. If you don't know who she is, you need to follow her. And she's just talking about like her favorite YouTubers and stuff like that. If you want to see a video like that from me, let me know. I don't watch a lot right now just because I'm in between. I don't know. I'm in between like how often I watch it and how often I don't watch YouTube. Like I go into stages where I'm like, ooh, YouTube, YouTube, YouTube. And then I go into stages where I'm like, man, I don't feel like watching it. Well, anyway, she's talking about how this YouTuber like does her makeup differently, and so my channel is going to be different also because I've recently stopped trying to like do my makeup how YouTubers do their makeup. Like they do full face, cakes all the time, 24/7. The only real thing that you'll see me do sometimes that's like full face, full glam is my eyeshadow. Everything else, like, I don't have time for that. My skin, I feel like I don't need all of that foundation. Like right now, this is literally one pump. One pump of foundation really from the Shameless and then like a little bit from the Fenty. Like that's it. So I'm excited right now because my video is recording for longer than 30 seconds. Okay, anyways, I gotta hurry up because I'm gonna be late. Dang, my other one is in the living room. So I'm gonna use my e.l.f. This thing, I forgot what it's called, but pretty much it's like a gel for your eyebrows and also your eyelashes. So this kind of just helps your brow hair stay in place, makes it look a little more real, helps the makeup stay. My brows are sisters, not twins, and this brow does its own thing. This brow looks a little thicker, but I mean, I don't really care right now because I got to go. Alright, so I've sprayed my face also with setting spray. That was like the first layer. Then I'm going to spray again. For eyes, I'm not about to do much. I think I'm about to just put some eyeliner on, call it a day. Sometimes I don't even wear liner. I'll just do my lashes. But today I didn't get all my mascara off last night, so it's looking a little rough. So I'm just gonna. Okay, so that's good. Where is my mascara? Lord have mercy. I'm in shambles right now. And I think, let me check what time it is because I gotta be at work at 10. It's 9:41. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, so I'm putting some the Colossal Big Shot from Maybelline. When my eyelashes are clean, which you shouldn't do this often. You should layer more mascara on top of old mascara. But when my lashes are actually clean and stuff, like this lifts and lengthens my lashes so much.
And it's not unfiltered. And even if I wasn't going to remember her for the whole facial structure thing, I'll always remember her for the
Okay, and I'm that person. I always get the shit underneath my eye, like my mascara. What I do is I take like a brush that has like some, it's either clean or has like brown or concealer. So that's done. Now I need to line my bottom. I use the Precise Skinny Crayon Gel. I think this is from Maybelline too. Yeah, it is. And I really like this. It's like really soft. Alright. So now I'm about to go in with blush. This was my first Juvia's Place purchase. If you don't know what Juvia's Place is, it is a black owned makeup brand. I think she's stationed in New York, or like the headquarters or whatever is in, not New York, New Jersey. Anyway, all of the palettes are African themed. Like this is the Saharan Blush Volume 2 palette. These are the colors. And honestly, all these colors work for me except for like this and this. But if I wanted to do a look where I'm layering and adding definition to my cheeks, could easily use this as well. But yeah, love, 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 love Juvia's Place. So I'm going to go in with these 3 Yara, Zoba, and Tall. And I'm just going to mix them all together like this. And then, and lightly. You don't want to go in heavy-handed because that's going to put all that pigment onto your cheeks. So, and now I'm adding some bronzer. This is Turks and Caicos from e.l.f. And I put it underneath the blush on the forehead, and I graze the sides of my nose with it. Go a little bit underneath the lips, and here, and then here. Okay, and then I'm going to go in with some highlights. I'll just be basic today and use the Anastasia Gleam Glow Kit. I'm going to go in with Mimosa, which is this gold shade. Alright, now I'm going to go in with the spray. This is facial spray from Mario Badescu. And I just love this because it blends in the highlights so well. So for lips, I'm going to take a little bit of this. I think this is LAX from ColourPop. I can't remember. But it's a dark brown shade. It's either LAX or Limbo. I think it's Limbo actually. So we're going to line our lips with that. Take this. We ain't going to mention what this is. I got this in my Ipsy bag and I don't really like the brand as much. So we're just going to... But I'm so mad because this is actually a really good formula of liquid lipstick. Alright. I think we're good to go. I'm going to go put my head wrap on. I was going to put my wig on today, but I ain't got time. So, I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. This is the look. I think it goes together well. Be on the lookout for more videos from me. I am back and better. Got my light set up and everything. Oh, y'all can see it's in my closet. Anyway, I got my light set up. I got all that good stuff going. So you should see more of me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.